Greetings from GIFT Foundation. I am R. Chelapan, the project director of GIFT Foundation. We have a product here that's mainly an EduPack. It's an educational pack called Spark EduPack. This package is basically an audiovisual program. It's aimed at teaching students, particularly the rural students in Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry, for enabling them to have the possibility of self-learning, enhancing their learning capabilities in physics, using math as a tool, and the students will have the comprehensive exposure to have their own self-learning, and then they can have a visual library, they can have group discussions, they can have enormous reproductive approach using the tool because it's basically an audiovisual tool. It can extend to several schools and libraries. It can also help the teaching staff to discuss with the students, make the students think on their own. Every student will really become a future scientist by this tool, and we certainly aim at a greater scaling of the skill sets in the minds of the rural schools. And certainly we are extremely pleased to launch this tool, this EduPack, which is again Spark EduPack, which is launched by the ILTF, the International Tamil Learning Foundation from the US. It's a charitable organization, and GIFT and ILTF work extensively in this program with a very large vision and target of rural students becoming future scientists for the world. I also represent a corporate world that is into power electronics and solar energy conversion, and we generally see a drop in quality from the students that we get from the universities these days. Certainly we look at a possibility of getting very good students and students with more physics knowledge to the industry, because without learning physics in proper manner, we cannot expect engineers, the future engineers, that could address the solar program and the power conversion techniques in our industry. So with this socio-economic reason, we also see Spark EduPack as a very important key and a tool to scale up our rural students and the upcoming engineers in future. The Spark EduPack upscaled version has been piloted in 20 over schools in Tamil Nadu, and we request your kind support for funding us to launch it further to most schools in Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry. And the details of this program will be explained to you in detail by Sri Alagappa Ramogan, the Director of International Tamil Language Foundation from USA. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Chelapan, for having introduced me to share some of the details of the project with all of you. And I am Alagappa Ramogan, Director of International Tamil Language Foundation, a charitable organization registered in USA, and we are here to develop Western science in Indian regional languages as a contribution to Indian educational system. Thank you. The Spark EduPack package offers the stimulating physics math series to the rural children of Pondicherry and Tamil Nadu. It is a self-study as well as a classroom study, which is for a subject that is very difficult to comprehend. It innovates, it excites, it provokes thought against a dull and mind-numbing, boring way of teaching science in schools. The objective of this series is to raise the standard of physics teaching to a world class in Pondicherry and Tamil Nadu for rural children. Considerable effort has been taken to create a Tamil version of this series, which has been developed by Annenberg Foundation in cooperation with the Cambridge University and Caltech University in California. The purpose of this series is not only to teach the text material and the content of physics, but also visually present very difficult subject in a very entertaining way with stories and in a historical perspective. The Physics Math series covers the topic of Newtonian physics and quantum mechanics in 52 half-hour episodes, with 3 texts written by Cambridge as a companion to the visual material that covers the entire spectrum of what is being taught. This has been approved and awarded reviews, great reviews and a lot of awards throughout the international community. And it has been translated into many, many languages, including Japanese and Chinese. And this is the first time that we have taken this project in India, and this is the first language in Tamil that this has been translated. But it is readily replicable to all Indian languages if need be at a later time. The Spark EduPack package has been created and developed after licensing the material from Annenberg Foundation. It has been translated and created with a lot of effort, and it's ready for pilot in Pondicherry and India. With great success for the last couple of years, we have piloted in 20 schools throughout Tamil Nadu with the help of private charities and Rotary clubs. It will cause, in our opinion, we believe strongly that there will be a paradigm shift in the teaching of physics and maths to a world class if this product is replicated successfully throughout Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry. The single reason that this will be possible is that the approach taken in making this product using cinema and motion picture as the motion of delivery, as the medium of delivery, as against rote learning and classroom teaching. This will be the difference, being the pictures audio-visually shown emphasizes historical perspective and brings the heroes of Esther Science into real-world actors, and the people who see, the students who see this are excited in learning science, and it demystifies science and makes it exciting. Having piloted 20 schools across Tamil Nadu, we strongly believe that we are ready to scale this up fully across Tamil Nadu in 200 schools, selected specifically to address the rural population of children in Tamil Nadu. What we need from you in terms of grant, the money and the funding to make this possible. We estimate roughly 50,000 rupees per school serviced, which includes the software cost, which is 52 half-hour DVDs in DVD format and 1,800 pages of text developed by Cambridge University. And all this includes the installation cost also. We believe if economies of scale permit, the cost will come down. That will make us possible to increase the number of schools covered. And we would invite grantors to make this possible and increase the standard of teaching in Tamil Nadu to a world class. In conclusion, we believe strongly that it is better to teach how to fish rather than to give fish to eat. We invite you to join with us in this great journey to make this possible and make the teaching of physics and maths in Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry to a world class. How does this project addresses the needs of education in Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry? In answering this question, I would like to cover in few issues one by one. First, let us take the issue of rote learning versus comprehension. As we understand today, in schools in Pondicherry and Tamil Nadu, the emphasis is given to make more marks rather than comprehend what's being taught. And this has been expressed as a concern even recently by Anna University Vice Chancellor C. Thangaraj, expressing concern that the students enter into the professional engineering colleges lack skills in mathematics. And he would like this addressed. Now, we are offering a solution already for this concern, and by using our method of approach in teaching science, especially in the school level, the finished people who enter out of the school system into the professional colleges come with a complete understanding and comprehension of physical sciences, which will enable them to excel in the chosen profession. Addressing the inequality that exists in content delivery and infrastructure availability in schools, this project fulfills what's lacking in the school systems of Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry. It delivers an equal access irrespective of poor or rich in getting the world-class product equally. So the access is equal, the content is equal, because it's seeing the same product everywhere without alteration or change. It also replicates the best teaching through the professors across the schools in the same way without dilution. Currently in our school system in Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry, the higher order skills of asking the right questions is not emphasized. In addressing this issue, our package is offering a new pedagogical technique, emphasizing the why aspect of the questioning rather than how and what. This why aspect of questioning is seamlessly integrated throughout the 52 episodes and brings the heroes of yesteryear via stories with human perspective in an interesting manner. Recently, 3 surveys have been completed ranking Indian universities against world-class universities. It's unfortunate that in all the 3 rankings, not even one school, one university has come within 100 ranks of the world ranking of all universities. It's unfortunate, but it's encouraging to see at least IIT of Mumbai comes 187th in at least one of the rankings of the 3. Across the 200 rankings of the universities, except Mumbai IIT, none of the Indian university has taken a place. Now this is a concern for all of us, as expressed some time back by Dr. Manmohan Singh, Prime Minister of India, in Parliament, that the world accepts Indian technology but does not recognize India's technology. By this he meant that individual performances are excellent, but countrywide performance is wanting. Now, this is addressed squarely by our effort by making this physics and maths being a physical science and fundamental science offered in school level through equal access to a world class. We bring interest in science much earlier level and comprehension increased at much earlier level, and this will contribute to more and more people entering into fundamental research and bring India and rank all its universities to a much higher degree. On the topic of credibility and quality of this undertaking in this Spark EduPack package, it is worth noting that Cambridge University, which is being ranked as number 1 in the ranking of all universities in the world, has contributed in writing the text of the material. Now, California Institute of Technology in California, which is ranked as the 2nd rank in the world universities, has created this product. Now, California Institute of Technology brought the first Nobel Prize winner in physics for the United States, and the famous Richard Feynman, the professor of physics, taught in the University of California, Caltech, and the Caltech has become the cradle of physics teaching. Such credible people with lot of experts on distance teaching, NASA, and Corporation of Public Broadcasting, all of them have, through Annenberg Foundation funding, has made this product, and we at International Tamil Language Foundation, with licensing from them, have developed the Tamil version here. A few thoughts on how this Spark EduPack package innovates in offering this material to school children. First, it emphasizes a non-traditional approach to teach physics and maths. By this we mean that physics is being taught not as a formula, not as a fact, but as a subject that has been created by humans, by bringing the heroes of yesteryear in action, in a story way, emphasizing the questions they asked rather than the answers they found. Also, when we install and deliver this product across the school system, we emphasize not one-on-one computer-based education, computer-instructed education, but we are offering in a setting where more synergism will follow, like a group learning through watching